Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to our Tajweed workshop. Today we will start lesson number 5 and look at the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. Don't forget to join Qiraat Club, our free Telegram group where you can practice what you've learnt, inshallah. In this video we will learn what Noon Sakinah and Tanween are, because it is a crucial introduction to the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. Once we've learned what they are, then we can learn the rules, but we can't learn the rules unless we know what they are. Because the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween are quite long, this will be broken down into 5 videos. This video will focus on introducing you to the concept of Noon Sakinah and Tanween and understanding what they are, and then the next 4 lessons will focus on each of the 4 rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. So stay tuned to the end, because then you will inshallah have a holistic understanding of this topic. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. So first we need to know the importance of the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. We have covered this previously in our Qaida series, which is linked somewhere above inshallah. But now, as this is the Tajweed series, we will be looking at it in more depth inshallah. So let's look at the importance of the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. It is crucial to understand what Noon Sakinah and Tanween are, because every time you see it, one of 4 rules will apply, which we will learn over this course inshallah. As we mentioned in previous videos, almost every other letter has a Noon Sakinah or Tanween, and it is very important to know the rules. So let's learn the terminologies. A Noon Sakinah is a noon with a sukoon or no haraka on it. So if a letter does not have a fatha, dhamma or kasra on it, it means it has sukoon on it. Sukoon means it is vowelless. It is the absence of a haraka. And a letter with a sukoon on it is known as sakinah. So a sukoon can look like this. Sometimes you may see a letter. Let's just take noon, for example, as we're focusing on the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. So if it has no fatha, dhamma or kasra on it, so neither of these, then it is sakinah. Sometimes you may see a sukoon physically written on the letter. It may look like a circle, or it may look like a apostrophe like this, or an upside down triangle. Now let's look at what Tanween is. We've covered in previous videos that Tanween makes an un, or in sound. It is 2 fathas, 2 dhammas or 2 kasras. Fathatan, dhammatan and kasratan. Tanween can only come at the end of a word, whereas sukoon can come anywhere within a word. And this is what Tanween can look like depending on the script that you are reading. Tanween is actually, in fact, Noon Sakinah. So even though these rules are called the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween, if we look further into what a Tanween actually is, we will see that Tanween is also just Noon Sakin. Remember, it makes the sound an, un and in, and this is actually just Noon Sakinah. For example, let's take fathatan. Fathatan is actually just an, so dhammatan here, it is actually un. And if we have a look at kasratan, it is actually just the in sound. So what are the 4 rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween? Well, let's take a look. Number 1 is idhar halqi. Number 2 is idgham. Number 3 is iqlab, and number 4 is ikhfa haqiqi. We've covered these in previous videos, but now we will look at them in more depth inshallah. So as stated earlier, it is crucial to learn to identify Noon Sakinah or Tanween, because whenever you see one of the above 4 rules will apply depending on what letter follows the Noon Sakinah or Tanween. And with that, we'll end this lesson inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.